Hello everyone. Tonight we're looking at the magazine of a JTS Airacuda Max, or the JTS Airacuda. They both share the same magazine. The magazine does work cross-platform between both weapons within the same caliber. 22 caliber magazines will work in both the Airacuda and the Airacuda Max. The same thing for 25 caliber. According to JTS, the magazines will also fit in other popular air rifles. These magazines are made up entirely out of metal, with a hole in the back for the spring to go through, a hole for a spring detent that's in the receiver to help hold it in place, a 2.5mm Allen screw. The only plastic or rubber in this magazine is an O-ring that goes around here that retains the pellets. It is a 27mm inside diameter by 1.5mm cross section. So let's get started. Using a 2.5mm Allen wrench, take out the screw. Set it off to the side. And lift the cover off. This magazine is preloaded counterclockwise. We've now removed all the spring preload. Take the magazine out. It is all aluminum. This is your spring. It has a small nipple on one end and another small nipple on the other end. Doesn't matter which way it goes in. In the back of your magazine, the small protrusion of this end of the spring goes to here. Small protrusion of this end of the spring goes into this small hole right there. Like I said, as they're laid out, it will be that way, and that way. This is the stop that keeps the magazine from rotating too far, and it will center on that part right there. The O-ring, like I said, is a 27 by 1.5mm. When it breaks, or you just decide to change it, use an O-ring tool, take it out, replace it with a new one, and that would be that. Take your spring, insert it into the magazine rear, align it with that hole, insert this part over this spring, and that can be tricky. Some people may find it easier to install the spring in this part first and then do it into the bottom part. Matter of fact, we will try that right now. Install that spring into that hole. And very carefully install the spring, the other end of the spring, into that hole. Once that has been accomplished, you will rotate the magazine counterclockwise until it gets past that part. So you want to go past that. Install this. Make sure everything lines up correctly. Take your 2.5mm Allen screw. Insert that back into the magazine. And there you are. Magazine rotates that way. To load the magazine, it's very easy. Take a pellet, push it in. Once it's in, rotate it one spot to the left. Take another one, put it in point first. It seats in place. Rotate the next one, put it in point first. It seats. You do not have to hold your finger across the end because it is being retained by that rubber O-ring. Like I said, rotate to a new opening. Drop a pellet in. It's there. Just like that. Load it in the gun and shoot it. If you want to empty the magazine, push it through, then advance to the next one, push it through, advance to the next one, push it through, advance to the next one, and you're done. And that is how you perform maintenance on a JTS Airacuda magazine. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.